In this video we'll look about loop construction Golang. So we already have a step code here. We have the package main and we have imported the fmt package, and we have the main method where we have the print line. Okay, so let's execute this. Yeah, hello world. Cool. So Golang has for loops. Okay, so the syntax is somewhat similar to other languages. So here I would use short assignment to create to initialize this with 0, and I will check I less than 5, I plus plus. So say your teacher told you that okay, you write 5 times that you won't disturb the class, or you won't do the same mistake again. And you find a quick way of doing it using loops. So this is how you can do it. Okay, so the syntax, if you see, it's somewhat similar to all the other languages, but again you don't have the opening and closing parentheses here. So what this does is it will initialize this variable to 0. It will check this condition. If I is less than 5, no, it is 0, so it will print this, and after evaluating this, then it will go and increment this I to 1. So now again it will check if I is less than 5, no, it is 1, which is not less, which is less than 5. So it will execute again increment. When it becomes 5, then 5 is not less than 5, it will exit. So let's run this program. Okay, you have that. So this is about for loops, and Go doesn't have while loop. So why is that? Because you can write any of the other loops using some variation or some trick with for loop itself. So Go strictly follows the method as a method or design principle that if there is one way of doing it, then there shouldn't be any other ways, so that the code is somewhat uniform and more maintainable and readable. So let's comment this out. So how you can write the while loop? So what we had was okay, I need an integer I, right, to count. I can initialize I to 0, and I can write a for. So I have somewhat similar to while loop only, but there is no while. So I less than 5. Uh, okay, so you can write this way and run it. Oh, okay, so we did something wrong here. I never incremented I, right? Okay, so it never becomes I less than 5. It will always be 0, so it was going in an infinite loop. Okay, here it is. If you want to write an infinite loop, you can simply remove this condition also. So this will go on as an infinite loop. Okay. Man, it's not getting close. Okay, done. Yeah, thank you.